gazpacho, and she gave me a sample of it.
Attaboy,
You know,
like a champ.
Yeah, usually.
Like a champ.
Oh, it was delicious.
Keep
She
going.
gave me a sample.
Cold soup, right?
Don't slow
very,
down.
Very good.
Attaboy.
So anyway,
Can you get us a frontal view and all the different angles that are all funny?
Seriously.
What?
I'm embarrassed.
I am too.
My 25-year-old son is watching a dog hump and getting relieved that I don't get it. It's a dog.
He's very popular because of this.
Well, that's even sadder to me.
Yeah, where's Cal State
Oh, yeah.
with respect to Heritage?
Cal State what?
University of CSUSM?
San Marcos?
Yeah.
San Marcos probably 45 minutes north of here. Good job, Bonnie.
Does Julie hate when you do that?
Oh, she loves it.